How to customize your drinks. The Coffee Buddy comes with 20 pre-programmed drinks. Each drink can be adjusted and customized to your preference. To customize a drink from the main coffee menu, select the 3-line button on the upper right of your screen. Then select General Settings on the lower left, then click on Customization on the bottom left. From here you can select the drink you would like to customize. You can adjust the level of each part of the drink by moving the sliders back and forth to suit your personal taste. Once you're done customizing, press the back arrow button to return to the main coffee menu and simply press the drink that you customized. The Coffee Buddy will make the drink to your specifications. Enjoy!